Video 4 of our midterm review. This time we're going to start a new file and it's going to be our assembly. So select assembly and we're going to pull in the bearing as our base plate. So it should dump us right into the folder for midterm review. If yours does not, you can hit browse and select your folder that you've been working on. I'm going to start with the bearing. And I'm just going to hit enter to place it. Oops, excuse me, I'm going to hit check and place that in. It's going to lock it to the origin for me. Okay, under assembly, I'm going to go back to insert components and I'm going to select the lock nut next. And one more time, insert components and packing nut. Okay. I'm going to go over here to view and turn on temporary axes, and you'll see that I now have these dotted blue lines. So that was found by clicking right here, and when we assign our mates, I'm going to use those. So I'm going to align this to this, hit OK. I'm going to select this and select this again, hit OK. Now we've got our parts all concentric, but now we need to assign some additional mates. So I'm going to assign a distance mate from here to here. So I'm going to select this surface and this surface and put in a distance of 1. And for this guy, oops, I got a, nope, that's correct. I'm going to select here, and oops, going to clear these. I'm going to mate this to this with no distance. Okay. It looks good. Hit OK. So now we have our assembly completed. I'm going to continue by creating a configuration of an exploded view. So I'm going to right click and say New Exploded View. And I'm going to click on the packing nut, just bring it out a little bit. Then I'm going to click on the lock nut, bring that out a little bit, and hit OK. And now we have both an assembled version of this and a exploded view. So I'm going to end by saving this, and we're going to put it into our same folder. Just hit save. It should bring us back in here, midterm review, and put your last name in and assembly. Oops, I've got the wrong keyboard. Hit save. And that wraps up this one. Next up, we'll be dimensioning all these parts.